I don't have any illusions that what we are doing is sticking to the bottle. I don't think that's what we are doing. We are trying to make sure that the genie has friends, has food to eat, a way to grow. A lot of artists are much more concerned about how their work is used and how it's disseminated. That, to artists, is as important as the money, for some people. Unauthorized use of these MP3 files is really creating a problem for artists in the music community. As a mom, I know that raising children is the hardest job there is. The enforcement is the flip side to the growth. And that's okay. For music, unlike a $500 software program, people are paying $1 or $2 a song, and it's those dollars and pennies that have to add up to pay for not just the cost of that song, but the investment in the next song. This is a business built on promotion. We've been giving music away to radio stations for 30 years. A protracted legislative fight will not move us closer to where the music industry wants to be, delivering music to fans through a variety of different, innovative websites. Working moms, stay-at-home moms, they're both extremely hard jobs. There is no sense in owning the copyright unless you are going to use it. I don't think anyone wants to hold all of this stuff in a vault and not let anybody have it. It's only worth something once it's popular. Everything we are doing is on the cutting edge of so many different industries and so many different interests. We're out there in the sunshine, and it feels fine. The marketplace can handle this. The laws are there. The courts have shown a consistent ability to find a balance between copyright owners and copyright users. There are some very real areas where working together is critical, whether it's talking about public policy issues, enforcement, or how to work together to facilitate new business opportunities. The RIAA has gotten much more involved in that. The innovation is going to come, and that is good for everybody. Music has an intrinsic value that touches Americans. They love their music, and want more. Our profile was pretty low, deliberately so. Our constituents were a relatively small audience. The Constitution wanted artists to have control over their works because they knew it would create incentive to create more works. That is clearly still the goal. We are going after a targeted group of businesses that are creating opportunities for themselves using other people's property. The Internet has very little to do with this. When ATM machines came out and people were prosecuted for robbing ATM machines, I don't think anybody thought the banks were against technology because they didn't want their ATM machines lifted. As a partner in a firm full of women who work outside of the home as well as stay-at-home mothers, all with plenty of children, gender equality is not a talking point for me. It is an issue I live every day.